ano? Tara. Good morning po. Good morning po. Good morning, ma'am. Ganda ng lighting, oh. First time ko lumabas para sa canteen, guys. Kasi, sanay na sanay talaga ako na nasa loob lang ako ng room. Kaya nasisilaw ako. Ganito pala sa labas. Ulubin, extend niya na yung canteen.
Ang galing. Wow!
Alam, may turo na dito.
Ayan. No po.
Ano mo gusto? Kabila? Ano yan? Melon.
Melon.
Over naman sa tikim, parang nilawayan mo lang yun.
Hi, guys.
Me before a math quiz. Sige, makiano ka to. Ganun ako pag mas kupal ako. Eh, medyo demure now. Demure! Oh my gosh! Wala bang ano? Di ba may pader yung may Mama Mary? Parang may like taller leaves. Ay, ginupit siya. Ginut down. Wow, ginupit siya. Uy, for emergency purposes. Tenpon. So this is the newly remodeled canteen. It's so pretty. It's not just a cafeteria to buy food anymore. It's also a cafeteria where not only you can also sit down.
Ate, picture tayo.
Pwede wala tong picture lang. Sige. Hindi ko kilala. Ang dami nag-hello sa camera.
Hello, guys. Welcome to the vlog.
Pero guys, ang cute ha. They serve it in a very small portion. Magkano yan?
25.
So, palabok in an 8-ounce cup for 25 pesos. Gago, sa amin mga 3-4 na ganan, 20. This is first time ko pumunta! This is such an... Uy, meron na dito, meron na... Wow! Oh my God, meron din! Oh my gosh, this is so pretty! I can't believe I go to this school! Like, there's so many new things, new atmospheres, new surroundings. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Why did I keep myself inside, locked up in the fucking classroom when I could be going outside and exploring this amazing... Woohoo!
Madami na nag-hi sa vlog mo. Hi kay vlog, shout out sa'yo.
Hala!
Pakagat din ako. Hi kay video. Mali.
It's actually good. We have a few of the green onions.
25 lang siya.
Good morning po, sir. Tapos may kainan, they have like sisig, or no, they have like silogs and shit.
May lamis nito po.
May nakita akong fried rice, tapos may egg, tsaka may hotdog, and on a green plate.
It is such an upgrade.
Dizon has really evolved, but the Philippines hasn't. Whoa. Kaya magpa-aircon sila when they fix the fucking bathroom. Kada magbubukas ng banyo, I can smell the scent from a mile away. It's so damn pungent.
Guys,
What if we put palabok in lumpia wrapper? Really? So guys, it's about to be time, so we're gonna go inside. Pagmiela! So this is our building. It's the blue building, and we're gonna go back inside. Gano'n mo kamahal si RB?
Uy!
Mahal mo ba? Mahal mo na?
Ito lang daw. Ito lang.
Mahal mo o mahal ka?
Ha?
Yung mahal mo o mahal ka?
Mahal ko ang gas ngayon.
Hala, Jejemon. Jejemon. We are now back in our classroom, and after a lot of exploring throughout the whole buildings and the whole Dizon, we are back. Nang babae ka, supportive. Nang babae ka! Disappointed. Nang babae ka. Sarcastic. Nang babae ka. Parang galit yun. Nang babae ka. Angry. Nang babae ka? Dirty. Nang babae ka. Kasi Apple always adapts to the users, di ba? So, if you're clean, then your screen is also clean. So, I think that's the end of my vlog and we're gonna go back to learning and processing. Bye vlog!